My name is Kelly Logan. I am a clinical nutritionist, I am a personal trainer, and I am a functional medicine practitioner. I think that a plant-based protein is the best way to go, and I don't choose anything else. Here's the reasoning for that. Our soil has changed in the U.S. dramatically over the years. In order for you to get the same nutrients out of maybe a cup of kale, you'll need to eat 8 cups of kale. And we're not getting nowhere near the amount of green leafy vegetables, the proteins, the amino acids that we need to have to sustain life. And so with that being said, having a protein powder that has your full range of vitamins and minerals and nutrients that you need from a plant base is something that you need, and I will always recommend. When I first saw and tried Green Regimen, the first thing that stuck out for me was the focus on the gut microbiome. I can tell you this now, for somebody that is trying to lose weight or heal their acne or heal hormonal imbalance or heal high blood pressure or cholesterol, if you do not fix the gut, you can't fix anything. The gut is like our internal organ that is like the plant system of the world, of the universe, meaning that if the soil isn't good, then the plant won't grow. So if the soil, the gut microbiome isn't healthy, then the plant won't grow, meaning that you will not survive and thrive and nothing will work for you. So with this focus on the gut microbiome, with all its enzymes and amino acids and nutrients that you need to make the gut microbiome diverse, perfect protein powder. I wouldn't suggest anything else. I use this protein powder 2 different ways, in my shakes as well as my oatmeals. Both of them blended very well. I noticed that they held me over for a very long time, so I was not hungry. I didn't have any cravings. I also noticed that my body felt very regular. And so if you struggle with cravings or you kind of want to snack all the time, it kind of made me feel like I didn't have the need to crave or have anything else. It was wonderful. I think when you're choosing a protein powder or you're choosing your meals in general, I think that the biggest choice that you have to ask yourself, are you moving yourself towards wellness or away from wellness? Are you moving yourself towards life or towards death? And I think that when you're choosing something that is full of nutrients, that gives your body life, helps your body digest things and absorb better, Green Regimen is the way to go.